Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hi, it's Coach Rob from Kids Academy, and in today's video, we will be looking at different positions and figuring out if the king is in check or checkmate. A very important skill to be able to have as a chess player. Now, as we're looking at these positions, ask yourself, can the king use CPR, capture, protect, run away, to get safe? If the answer is yes, then it is only a check. If the answer is no, and there's no way to save the king, well then it's checkmate, and it's game over. Let's go ahead and get started with our first position. So in this game, the white king is in check. The black queen on e3 is checking the king. And the question is this check or is it checkmate? And consider capture, protect, and run away. Go ahead and take your time and pause the video if you need to. So what I see, and you should get in the habit of looking at the entire chessboard, there's a bishop protecting the queen. So right away I know the king cannot capture the queen because the white king won't be safe. The bishop will be attacking the king if the king tries to capture the queen on e3. The pieces are right next to each other, so there's no way to protect. And by the way, white doesn't have any pieces to protect with anyway, only a king is left. So now I'm looking at runaway. Our only hope is to run away. I'm first looking at f2 and d2. Those squares are controlled by the black queen. They're off limits. I can't go there. I'm looking at d3 and f3, and once again, the queen is controlling those squares. I'm looking down at e1. I know kings can go one step away in any direction, but the queen x-rays through our king and is controlling that square as well. It's not looking good for us, but how about king d1 or king f1? Are those safe? Well, the answer is yes. White can play either move. King d1 is safe. The queen is attacking all these squares, but none of them are d1. Same thing with the bishop aiming at these dark squares. The queen is controlling a lot of squares around the king, but d1 is safe. If you said f1, that's also safe. The queen cannot get to f1 right now. Our king would be safe using a runaway. So going back to our original question, is this check or checkmate? The answer is check. The game continues after white plays either king f1 or king d1 using the runaway strategy. Okay. Another game where white is in check, and once again black has a bishop and a queen, and this time the bishop is on a light square. Is this check or checkmate? Well, I know the king can't capture the queen. That's too far. That's 2 steps away. I know that white doesn't have any other pieces, so there's no way to protect. So now, once again, we're looking at runaways. I see the bishop is controlling f1. The queen is controlling f2, g2, h2, and even g1. But there's one square left. It looks like this square in the corner, h1, is safe. The bishop can't get there. The black queen can't get there right away. This king is too far to control h1. It looks like our only move is king h1. So this was once again a check, not checkmate. Okay? White is under attack. The white king is under attack, this time from the queen. Is this check or checkmate? And we're thinking about CPR, those 3 strategies to save the king. So looking at king moves, I'm trying to run away, but all these squares are protected. The rook is guarding. The rook is guarding. This rook is protecting the queen. The queen is guarding f1. We cannot run away. There's no way to block. There's no space. And the king cannot capture the queen, because if the king were to try to go to e2, I'm sure my opponent would tell me that's an illegal move, because then the rook would be aiming at my king, and my king would not be safe. However, I do see one other piece here. There's a knight, and this knight can capture the queen. Knight takes the queen on e2. Our king is safe. It still doesn't look good for white, Black's army is still stronger than ours, but at least the game continues and it's not checkmate. E4, E5, knight F3, E4, E5, queen H5, knight C6, bishop C4, knight F6. White to play. If white plays the move queen takes F7, is this checkmate? The answer is yes. We have this bishop protecting the queen. The queen is attacking the king. The queen is guarding the only escape square. There is no way to get safe, no way to capture the queen safely, no way to run away, no way to protect. Instead of queen takes F7, what if white tried to move bishop takes F7? Is this also checkmate, or is it just a check? Well, once again, the king can't capture the bishop. This time it's the queen helping, but who is guarding this square for white? Who is guarding this dark square on E7? The answer is no one. So this is only a check because black can do the runaway move, king E7. In this game, it's white's move. White sees a strong move with queen takes E5 check, winning the pawn. Is this check or checkmate? This does not look good for black. Let's see. I'm looking at runaway squares. This bishop is controlling D7 and E8. This queen is attacking all of these squares. There's nowhere safe to run. I don't see any way to capture this queen. This pawn is too far away. The bishop isn't helping. The knight can't help. Maybe there is a way to protect. Can black find a move to stop the queen from attacking the king? Is there anything that can go to this square? It's our only hope. There's no way to run away. There's no way to capture. How about this bishop? Bishop E6 is the only move to keep the game going. So black plays bishop E6, preventing the queen from attacking the king, and the black king is safe. This was only a check, not a checkmate. So once again, when you realize your king is in danger, it's very important to look at all of your options, CPR. Sometimes you'll be able to use all three, sometimes two, and sometimes you may only have one move to save the king. But you have to explore all of your options because if your king is in check, it is your most important priority, your top job to save the king. If your king can't be saved, if you cannot escape the check, then it is called checkmate and it is game over. Thank you for doing these practice puzzles, and I will see you soon. We will be learning about two of the most important checkmating patterns there are in chess. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.